Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know there's nothing that excites a girl more than owning a huge variety of beauty products, and I can understand the agony of saying goodbye to your most beloved items when they're about to get over. But here I am, I found out foolproof a couple of hacks and beauty tricks that can help you extend the life of your favorite beloved treasure loot. Watch and learn. Before throwing away the empty products that come in tube form, you can cut them out and dig out the remaining product that is there in the packaging. You can either clip them from the top or just empty them in a small container, and then you can use it whenever required. A lot of times what happens with me is when I'm in a hurry, I'm rushing, and then suddenly my favorite pressed powder compact or my highlighter or the bronzer, they fall on the floor and they are broken. Now you can fix your crushed pressed powder form of products by just spraying a little bit of rubbing alcohol and then crumbling it in the form of a powder and then pasting it and fixing it again in the container, and once the alcohol evaporates, the product will dry out and it will be ready to be used again. Now it's very important to make sure that you throw away your mascaras in a duration of 3 months, but if the mascara dries out before the duration of 3 months, you can pour a little bit of saline solution or your eyeliner solution into the mascara and then just shake it. It will be ready to be used again. If you have a pair of favorite false eyelashes that you would want to use a little more than what you've already used, then it's absolutely possible you can extend the life of your favorite false eyelashes. All you have to do is just take a little bit of makeup remover on a Q-tip and run it through on the eyelash line, and then take off the makeup from there, and with the help of a plucker just pluck out the extra residue and place it back in its original packaging, the box that it comes in. It'll be good like that, and the life will be extended automatically, so you will actually renew them yourself. When your kajal doesn't give the right amount of pigmentation, so you can just press hold of a lighter on the tip of it from about a little bit of distance, and once it's a little melty, then wait for 5 seconds because it'll be too hot, so let it cool down, and then you will notice that it is ready to be used just like you bought it on the very first day. You can make your own face or body highlighter with the help of the expired or old shimmery products that you have, maybe a shimmery eyeshadow or something. You can just mix a little bit of cream into that, and once it's absolutely blended well, then that'll be your cream highlighter. So you can use this on your body, or if it's too pigmented, you can use it as a face highlighter. So yeah, you can actually use the expired eyeshadows like this. Every product comes with a shelf life, and there are times when you have multiple cleansers or moisturizers, so you can't really make sure to use them before their deadline. So if you have some products left and they're already expired, for example moisturizers and cleansers, you can use them as the perfect makeup brush cleansers. If you have an expired old eyeshadow, be it matte or shimmery or metallic, anything, you can use this by just pouring the eyeshadow with the help of a paper funnel and pour it into your favorite nail paint or a clear nail paint for that matter, and then just shake it, and that'll be your customized DIY nail paint. So just shake it every time before you use it. When your foundations come in glass bottle, you can't really scoop out the balance because it's a glass bottle. You can't really tear it out. So what you can do is just pour a bit of moisturizer or a body lotion in the foundation and then mix it. That'll be your tinted moisturizer. So it'll give a little bit of coverage, but it will at the same time moisturize your skin as well. So that can be used for a daily purpose. So at least you're able to use the leftover of the foundation, right? So yeah, just make your tinted moisturizer or foundation by using the almost empty glass bottles of foundation. Doesn't it annoy you when you see the product getting stuck on the corners and nooks of your favorite lip gloss and you really want to get your hands on those remaining products? So what you can do is just take some lukewarm water and dip the product in that. So what it will do is it'll melt down all the product inside the lip gloss, and then it can be used again. So all the product that will be stuck on the corners of the bottle will be brought down and it will settle down at the bottom. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this, and I'm sure you learned a lot of new hacks in order to extend the life of your favorite beauty products. So let me know if you try these tips in the comment section, and let me know what your feedback is about the same. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!